We're multiplying a monomial, which has multiple variables in it, across a polynomial that has multiple variables in it. We have 3xy multiplied to parentheses x squared plus xy plus y squared close parentheses. So we know we need to distribute the 3xy across this addition inside of parentheses to the x squared, to the xy, to the y squared. So essentially we would do 3xy is being multiplied to x squared. Let's go ahead and multiply that now. So 3 is our coefficient, and then x times x squared gives us x cubed, and then y. Okay, second group, you have the 3xy being multiplied to the second term, xy. Let's multiply that out. So again, bring down our coefficient, which is 3x times x gives us x squared. Y times y gives us y squared. And then our last part in our distribution, 3xy being multiplied to the y squared. Okay, so again, bring down our coefficient, 3, and then we don't have anything to multiply to x, so write x, and y times y squared gives us y cubed. Alrighty, let's try another one. This time we have some plus and minus signs. We have negative 5r squared s squared times, in parentheses, negative 2r squared plus 3rs minus 4s squared. So we're distributing this monomial across this addition and subtraction. So again, we're multiplying the negative 5r squared s squared to the negative 2r squared. That's going to give us negative 5 times negative 2 is 10. R squared times r squared is r to the 4th. And then s squared. All right, next we have the negative 5r squared s squared to the 3rs. And that's going to give us negative 5 times 3 is minus 15. R squared times r gives us r cubed. S squared times s gives us s cubed. Remember, you're adding your exponents. And then our last distribution looks like I'm running out of space, so I'll write it here. Negative 5r squared s squared times the negative 4s squared. So again, multiply your coefficients. Negative 5 times negative 4, that's positive 20. And then r squared. S squared times s squared is s to the 4th power. And that's your answer. All right, why don't you try these two on the right? Pause the video, and then we'll do them together. All right, let's take a look at the first one, which says negative 4c cubed d squared times, in parentheses, 9c squared d squared minus 4c d to the 5th, close parentheses. So you have to distribute across the subtraction inside of parentheses, which tells us we're going to do, this time I'm going to do some mental math. The negative 4 times the 9 gives us negative 36. Then the c cubed times the c squared gives us c to the 5th power. D squared times the d squared gives us d to the 4th power. Okay, our second arrow, negative 4c cubed d squared to the minus 4c d to the 5th. So negative 4 times negative 4 plus 16. C cubed times c, which is c to the 1st power. That's c to the 4th. And d squared times d to the 5th is d to the 7th. All right, let's take a look at the second example. We have 3ab being multiplied to 4a squared minus 7b cubed, that's in parentheses. All right, so we're distributing the 3ab across subtraction. So you have 3 times 4 gives you 12. A times a squared gives you a cubed, and then b minus, distribute the 3ab to the 7b cubed. 3 times 7 is 21, and bring down the a, and b times b cubed is b to the 4th power. All right, hopefully that was helpful.